What's up, guys? This is Jake, and I want to do a very quick review on these Bounce dryer sheets. I did not use these for a really long time, and now that I have, it's one of those things that you feel like you can't go away from after you've started using them. So basically what they're going to do is provide, you can see right here, Outdoor Fresh, this really clean scent when you put them in the dryer with your clothes. So I've started using these. You can see this one specifically comes with 160 sheets. Most like smaller loads you can go one. I'm pretty much always going to go two of them straight in there with the clothes that I'm drying, and it smells so much stinking better. Real quick, I'm going to kind of go over the things on the box just so you can see it. As soon as you use them, you toss them, you throw them away. They're not reusable. I'm not going to read all of this, of course, but if you want to take a look here at the usage, I want to make sure you're able to do that. You can see one sheet for a smaller load, two for a bigger one, that you toss them away, and they get rid of wrinkles and static, get fresh and start and soft. Sorry, it's hard to read through the video. But again, I use these. I'm really a big fan of them. And if you're going to pick one, I think this is the best smelling one that I've found or ever used. Big fan of these. So if you're thinking about it, definitely give them a shot. And I have a feeling if you're like me, after you start using them, you won't be able to stop.